Fafann Fè'm talk the English. Hey, yes. Fafann Fè'm talk the English. Ou fè'm parler English. N'ap kwaze chaque jour. Damou shoushou. N'ap taye chak soir chantan avek Tayaj sans manke. Nous pas janm kite amou.
Madame Mwen mon Pitit Mwen. Cheri m'di ou I love you. Madame Mwen mon Pitit Mwen. Avek c'est bon lanmou. Renmen'w adowe'w. Admiwe'w dolote'w. Powetikman parlan romantikman chantan lovely.
Ou fè'm parler English. N'ap kwaze chaque jour. Damou shoushou. N'ap taye chak soir chantan avek Tayaj sans manke. Nous pas janm kite amou.
Lowkey, wasn't even trying to pop out tonight. Just another rooftop, link up, city lights bright. But then boom, Fafann walked in, body snatched, skin glowing like damn, she ain't even got a sin. She got that don't text back energy, but still got everybody trying to slide in her DMs instantly. She caught me staring, she smirked, sipped the drink, slowed and whispered, you trying to act chill, but I see you though. I froze, nah, she ate that. She said you look like trouble. I like that. Next thing I know, we outside, just me and her. Whole convo full of eye contact and phrases like you both for show. She said, so what's your vibe? You tourist, so you trouble? I said, a little bit of both, but you looking like double. She laughed, said, oh, you Delulu for real. I said, maybe, but I don't cap. I want you for real, no chill.
Femme créole qui li men qui brille. Femme sage qui comprend tant qui bien m'camper. Ou c'est madame Mwen, ou c'est ménage Mwen, ou c'est belle reine Mwen, ou c'est envie Mwen, ou c'est avenir Mwen, ou c'est bonheur Mwen. Chéri en Mwen, ou belle kou arc-en-ciel. C'est ou lié, ou douce kou sirop miel. Mami haïtienne, la belle reine. Avec ou, oui ti doudou.
Fast forward, we Uber back. Her playlist on shuffle, all R&B tracks. She said, don't get too comfy though. But her hands already saying, stay, you know. In a room, soft light, silk sheets. She threw a hoodie off, crop top underneath. Said, bet you wasn't ready for fun. After dark, I said I wasn't, but this feeling's hitting diff, it's a spark. She whispered, don't catch feelings, though I ruin lives for fun. I laughed, but inside I'm like, girl, you already won. We got closer, lips locked, she straddled me smooth. She said, now you stuck, welcome to Fafann's groove. I ain't even fight it, just let her take lead. Her vibe too addictive, got me ready to plead. She got me soft and delulu, I can't even lie. Afterwards I said you low-key, my thread too.
Ou renmen'w. Ou fè'm parler English. N'ap kwaze chaque jour. Damou shoushou. N'ap taye chak soir chantan avek Tayaj sans manke. Nous pas janm kite amou.